Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check if a PayPal account is verified. This is a quick process, and the easiest way to confirm it is by looking at a few key areas inside your account. If everything appears normal and there are no warnings or requests waiting for you, that usually means your account is already verified and in good standing. This is helpful to know if you want to send payments, receive money, link a bank account, use PayPal for business, or simply make sure your account is ready to use without any restrictions. Start by signing into your PayPal account and going to the wallet section. This is the area where you can see the payment methods connected to your account, including bank accounts and cards. The wallet section is important because it shows whether your main payment sources are already added and available for use. Take a moment to review everything listed there carefully. If your linked banks and cards appear normally, and you do not see any alerts such as confirm pending or anything similar next to them, that is a strong sign that your account has already completed the verification process. For example, if your bank account shows as active and your card does not have any warning message beside it, that usually means PayPal is not waiting for you to confirm those details. The reason this matters is that PayPal often uses linked financial methods as part of account verification. So if those methods are already connected and there are no unfinished actions displayed beside them, that usually means there is nothing else you need to do in that section. This helps PayPal confirm that the account has valid payment information connected, which can make sending, receiving, and withdrawing money much smoother. Next, go back to your main dashboard and check for any notifications. You can usually do this by looking at the dashboard itself, or by selecting the bell icon if it appears in your account. What you are looking for here is any message related to account limitations, identity confirmation, or request to upload documents such as an ID. These messages are important because PayPal will usually notify you directly if something still needs to be completed. Pay close attention to any warning banners, prompts, or notices asking you to complete additional steps. If there are no alerts, no limitation messages, and no requests for identity verification, then that is another clear indication that your account is verified and currently in good standing. This means PayPal is not showing any obvious action needed on your side, which is what you want to see. In other words, if your wallet looks complete and your notifications are clear, you are good to go. As a helpful tip, make sure you check both areas carefully because sometimes a small alert can be easy to miss, especially on mobile. If you are using the PayPal app, you may need to tap through the wallet, account, or notification areas to make sure nothing is hidden. If you do see a pending confirmation or identity request, that usually means verification is not fully complete yet, and PayPal is still waiting for action on your side. In that case, open the message or alert and follow the instructions shown by PayPal. This may involve confirming a card, verifying a bank account, checking your email, or uploading requested identity information. That's all you need to do. By checking your wallet for fully linked payment methods and reviewing your notifications for any outstanding alerts, you can quickly tell whether your PayPal account is verified. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple PayPal tutorials, and check out the next guide if you want to learn more about managing your PayPal account safely.